The Buick Regal is so fun to drive because it has turbocharged performance engine. Name another mode of transportation.
Crown Victoria.
Oh, yes, it is. Wow, yes. You don't have to be so specific. Hold on that kitty. All right. The luxurious interior in the Buick Regal gives you ideal comfort behind the wheel. Spell Regal.
Has it?
Where'd it go? Oh. Spell Regal.
R-E-G-A-L.
That's right. All right. The Buick Regal comes with OnStar and award-winning safety features. Name your best feature.
Airbag?
Well, congratulations. I said name your best feature and you... But we would like to see that later. All right. The Buick Regal features a navigation and entertainment center that includes a pause-and-play live radio function. What real word rhymes with function?
Junction.
Yes. All right. Hands behind your back. If you win that Regal, I expect you to always wear your seatbelt. What's something a king... Hands behind your back. Something a king would wear.
A crown! A crown! Okay.
Hands behind your back. The Buick Regal has 4 doors. Name something that has 4 legs.
A squirrel.
It does. Your mind is like... I love your mind. All right, so everyone, you don't have a key.
No.
All right, well, that means there's no keys left. So you don't have a chance to win the car, but you're not going to go home empty-handed. You and our other finalists who don't win the car are getting a weekend at one of my favorite resorts. We're sending you and a guest to the Montage Resort, which I love. All right. Kathy Ann, how many keys do you have?
2.
You have 2. All right, which one would you like to try first?
The right hand.
All right. Get in the car. I'll hold this one from you. All right. Let's see if Kathy Ann starts first.
Break it. No.
No. All right. That one does not work. All right. You're going to try that one, but not yet? Okay, I guess I could just leave that open, huh? Lori, you have 2 keys also? Just one? Mm-hmm. All right, Lori, try that one. You have to have your foot on the brake. They knew that, yeah. No. All right, Lori, no. Jennifer?
Fernandez?
Jennifer, yes.
Can I get a hug for good luck?
Yes, you can get a hug. You have 1 key, right?
I do.
All right, give it a whirl.
Oh my gosh.
Put your foot on the brake.
No.
No. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Jenny, try it. You have 1 or 2. You have 1 or 2.
One.
All right. What's that? Okay.